Hey, how's everybody out there in YouTube land? Got a good one for you today. A song that has become its own kind of thing, actually, in and around the music world. There was a band called Lynyrd Skynyrd, who all perished in a airplane crash, and everybody knows about them because anytime you listen to any band in the world at any time, there's always some guy in the crowd that requests "Free Bird." They want to hear "Free Bird," and in honor of all of those drunken morons asking for "Free Bird," here you go. Loss to the music world, losing Lynyrd Skynyrd. Tremendous southern rock band.
If I leave here tomorrow, if I
well. There you go. Lynyrd Skynyrd. Man, they sure can make it rock, can't they? They can really get going. They can really get going in that. The first half of this starts out kind of peaceful and quiet and sad and really sort of weird. I mean, it so prophetic, yes, because they're singing here about, you know, they have to go on and they're going to leave and they died shortly after recording this. They were in a plane crash and lost the whole band. And it was almost like they knew that was going to happen when they wrote this. A lot of people are weirded out and freaked out about it. Coincidence? Probably. Divine providence? And, you know, did they know ahead of time? It just weirds me out. To this day, it just weirds me out. It's like they knew what was going to happen. They knew what was coming. And then they passed away. So very strange, very, very strange. Lots of theories and conversations and conspiracy theories and all that going on around this song. So anyhow, I hope you enjoyed listening to them. Great band, Lynyrd Skynyrd. One of the world's best. Left us way too soon. I hope you enjoyed listening to that. Give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Ring ding ding the bell so you get notifications next time I post a video. And yeah, let's find something else to listen to. Maybe something not quite so tragic.